Okay, let me demonstrate my grinder here for you. I'm gonna load my hopper. This thing is real easy, man. Okay, that's enough for a demo. Put the cap on. All you gotta do is press it. A little button here. You got action. You hold it as long as you, until you got the preferred grind. Can you dig it? I knew that's good. Let's check it out. See what we got. It's about how I like it. I'm gonna hit it a second more. Bam. Okay. And that's what you got. How about that? Ready to roll, baby. I like it. That's it.